Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. Thunderstorms are likely this Friday over much of the interior, and it's a very hot day over the western parts of South Africa. Firefighting teams are on high alert in the Western and Northern Cape as a result of very hot and dry conditions. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger over the western parts of the Northern Cape and much of the Western Cape, including the western coastal areas. Now, daytime temperatures will reach the mid to upper 30s over the western parts, even the low 40s, 34 today in Sutherland, 35 in Cape Town, and a high of 39 expected in Vredendal. It's cooler over the central parts with a high of 31 in Bloemfontein, 25 degrees in Bethlehem, and it's a warm and humid afternoon ahead in Gauteng with a maximum of 32 in Pretoria. Zooming in to the Western Cape's temperatures for this afternoon, 40 degrees likely in Worcester and Oudtshoorn, 39 today in Robertson, but it's slightly cooler along the south coast with temperatures reaching the upper 20s. Now let's take a look at the satellite image of the past 12 hours. Large thunderstorms affected the southern parts of Namibia overnight, and thunderstorms were already active this morning in northwest, the southern Free State, as well as the central parts of the Northern Cape. Now that's where we're expecting scattered thunder showers for the rest of today, even extending into the southern and central parts of Namibia. Scattered thunder showers also likely over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, and thunderstorms could creep southwards along the western escarpment to reach the central Karoo during the course of this afternoon. Isolated thunder showers also likely over the eastern escarpment and in Gauteng. Winds remain light over the central and eastern parts of South Africa, speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour in Durban and Richards Bay, but stronger winds along the Eastern Cape coastline with a moderate west to northwesterly expected in Sutherland. It will be very hot this afternoon in Cape Town, clear conditions with a daytime temperature of 35 degrees in the City Bowl, together with moderate southwesterlies. Overnight, full moon is expected in the early morning hours of Saturday, and with that, a total lunar eclipse just before 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. Temperatures drop to 19 degrees overnight, and winds will stay light and variable. Tomorrow afternoon remains hot over the western parts of the country, but thunder showers become likely along the south and southeast coast, while we're expecting partly cloudy conditions over the far northern parts. By Sunday, it becomes cooler in the west with a chance of rain in Cape Town, and rain will spread to the Eastern Cape coastline during the course of the day. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.